What's up, Cougars? It's finally Friday. I know if you're like me, you're excited. And so let's just jump right into day 10 AMI math. So today it says y equals ax plus b represents a linear function. This means the graph for this equation is a line. And they're giving you some parameters. They're saying make a greater than 0, which means it's a positive number. Make b is less than 0, so make it a negative number and see what kind of graph that generates. And so I set up a little slider on Desmos to show you that a being in front of x, the coefficient of x, represents the slope. And as you see, when I make it negative, it points down from left to right. And when I make it positive, it makes it point up from left to right. It's a positive slope. And so then if we adjust our y-intercept, b right here, if we adjust it, what happens to our line? Well, it moves up and down the y-axis. They told me to make b a negative number and to make a positive number. So your graph should look something like this. So now I'm going to show you how to share this using Google Classroom. It's pretty simple. If I just put in any random equation that follows the parameters, and please don't copy me, but let's say that I make my slope 5, and let's say that I make my b -2. So I have this line, and I want to share it with my teacher. So I come over here to this share graph and click it. And I think the easiest way is probably just to export the image. And so you see this picture they have of my graph. I can download it, copy it to my clipboard, and then if I go over to the assignment and down here below, I could paste it in there. And if you don't know how to paste, you can right click, you can hit Control V. And so it made the graph pretty big. So let's make it a little bit smaller. Still pretty big. Okay. And then also don't forget to fill out the what you decided your A and your B to be right there. So that's pretty simple right there. If you have any questions, I'm sure you can contact your teacher. Hope you have a great weekend, and let's have a good day.